Boy family, Bad Boy for life, Funk Flex, Special Delivery Part 2, baby. Yeah.
I'm the definition of half man, half drugs, ass to clubs. Bad boy, that's what's up. Half the bucks, crush crews after us. No games, we ain't laughing much. Nothing but big things. Check the hit list, how we twist shit. What changed but the name? We still here, you're rocking with the best. Don't worry if I write rhymes, I write checks. Who's the boss? Dudes is lost. Don't think cause I'm iced out, I'ma cool off. Who else but me? And if you don't feel me, that means you can't touch me. It's ugly, trust me. Get it right, dog, we ain't never left. We just move in silence and rep to the death. It's official, I survived what I've been through. Y'all got drama, the saga continues. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere.
Funk Flex.
We can't be stopped.
Shout to Hard Pierre, Joe Hooker. Shout to June Balloon. Bad Boy, baby. Big Dog, Big Balls. Special Delivery Part 2, baby. Yeah.
Straight from the Harlem streets. I don't play, I push it down with the Harlem heat. All of a sudden niggas got a problem with me. Black, what happened? They running around acting like the black don't can't eat. And you know what? For some strange reason, I'm on for this medication, feeling deranged, needing for y'all to put the word out. We ain't leaving. We trying to be rich before we all stop breathing. Therefore, we kinda hustle lanes. Stay laying down our muscle games. Still turn niggas' dreams to flames. You got the wire? If not, I ain't saying no names. You soon expire. No pain. I feel remorseless. Of course, it's me and Diddy up first, racing Porsches with the big twin valve exhausters. On the cover of your vibes, double XLs and sauces, bitch.
We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere.
We can't be stopped now, cause it's bad boy for life. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now, cause it's bad boy for life.
It ain't shit changed since the notorious. See, everything's still glorious. We still got warriors, still be the victorious. See, it's a lot of them, but it's more of us. Still got cash to blow, raps to flow. Still them cats to know, pack the flow, that's for sure. Bottles to pop, joints to rock. Play the background, handle my jock, holding my Glock. Money to get, cars to flip, bars to sit at and sip cognac with juice to drip. Hoes to see, make sure they knowin' it's me. Drop that D, can't believe that I am C. Bad boy to the casket drop, gotta love it, place nothing above it. It's on like that, don't believe we ain't going like that. For always gonna be here, we there, every motherfucker's here.
We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere.
We ain't going nowhere.
We can't be stopped.
P. Diddy, Funk Flex. Shout to the Big Dog, Big Bull, Big Cat, Cypher Sound, Johnny Walker, Red, DJ Kaori, Mr. C, Frank Sugar, DJ.
Kattenkwaad hoort erbij. Jan, heb je kattenkwaad uitgehaald?
Nee, dat ik was, maar ik keek net heen. Ik denk, we zullen zien dat ik de auto rond wil.
Maar wij zijn ook wel blij.
Dat is echt politie. Kijk wat ik ga doen.
Het is echt politie. Echt politie. Wie heeft telefoon bij? Wie heeft telefoon bij?
Dus dit moet niet opvallen aan het filmen.
Nee, dat is lach. Ik ga naar binnen.
Dag Martin.
Hoi.
Even morgen.
A3.
Ah nee. Maar jij even rekent die jas?
Ja,
Nou, dat is mooi.
wat dan?
Nou. Jongen, wat bedoel jij het niet? Zo. 107, 21. 27. Je ziet het, dat is niet gelukt, hè?
Was niet goed.
Die doorheen. Dat was toch jullie plannetje een tijdje geleden, hoor?
Wat?
Ja, wat? Was dat Sjaak of zo in Clownspark?
Nee.
Hij moet altijd in Space nog doorgegaan.
3 uur of zo.
3 uur.
Waar is de rest van de gelden, hè?
Wie was het nou?
Wat dan? Waarom heeft het niet geslagen dan?
Nee, ik heb het niet gedaan, omdat hij hierheen kwam lopen. Ik dacht, die wou nog had geen geld bij zich of zo. Nee?
Nee,
Oh. Toen dacht ik, maar ik zit net tegen u te vertellen van...
Ja, wat deed hij dan? Wat deed hij dan?
Nou, nee, hij is gewoon weggereden. Hij kwam eruit stappen en toen liep hij weer terug en toen stapte hij in de auto en dan reed hij weg. Een beetje te opvallen.